Hello and welcome back to the SDC Knowledge Series, where we break down design and construction into simple, insightful conversations. I'm Namrata, and joining me today is our 3D visualizer and material expert, Mr. Jignesh. And today's topic is something we deal with every single day but rarely talk about: material samples. Not the digital ones, but the real tactile catalogs we keep at SDC.
Hi Namrata, excited to be here again. Yes, physical material samples may sound old school, but they play a huge role in getting the right output on site and in making client decisions faster and better.
Let's start with the basics. Why do we keep physical material samples in the office when we already have everything on Revit?
Great question, because visuals can be different than actual. A matte finish tile in Revit might look glossy on screen. A fabric's texture can't be felt in a 3D render. That's why we keep real samples, tiles, laminates, fabrics, even hardware. It helps both our team and clients make confident, informed decisions, especially for finishes and combinations.
Absolutely, and we've seen clients instantly change their minds once they see or touch the sample. So, how does it help during quality checks?
Exactly. Once we finalize a sample with the client, we tag it and store it in our project bins. This becomes the reference when the site team calls us later or when vendors need to match materials. So if there's ever confusion about gloss level, pattern grain, or laminate shade, we just pull out the actual sample and compare it. It prevents the wrong item from being delivered to site or installed by mistake.
And what happens when a specific sample isn't available in the library?
That's where our backup system comes in. We keep digital records with codes, finishes, vendor contact information, and usually arrange the physical sample in 1-2 days. We also keep updated catalogs from our vendors. It helps in quick decision making during urgent meetings.
Let's wrap this up with a few takeaways. Material samples help verify quality beyond digital visuals. They reduce client doubts, site mismatches, and vendor confusion. And when used smartly, they speed up approvals and avoid costly mistakes.
Absolutely. A good sample library is like a design truth vault. It clears confusion, not just at the design table, but also at the construction site.
Beautifully said. Thanks for joining us, Jignesh, and thank you all for tuning in. Catch us next week as we explore another real-world practice from the SDC Studio workflow. Until then, stay curious, stay creative.